Hi, my name is Sophia Clark, and I am the founder and creative director of Galiatea. It was founded with diversity, connection, and social impact in mind. It provides interior designers and design-conscious customers with made-to-order luxury handmade furniture and home decor made with sustainable materials by underrepresented artisans globally. At Galiatea, we focus on handmade products. Why? Well, when natural materials are being used, the kind that will just not fit in a machine, there is no replacing the touch of the artisan. His skilled and experienced hands will create details that will make the very piece unique while being precise in applying the overall design. An artisan becomes an artist when he brings his soul and creativity in recreating an object. An artisan becomes an artist when everything fits together almost perfectly. Perfection is machine made and lifeless, uneventful. Imperfections that heighten the beauty of the piece can only be created by the hands of a master artisan. My passion for handmade items, handcrafted by artisans, is a reason why Galiatea was founded. So I was in Brazil visiting my parents. I had just returned from the world's largest furniture trade show, Salone del Mobile in Milan, for the first time. I had spent hours upon hours admiring the beautifully Italian designed pieces, but realized after a few days that everything was a blur. Every product looked like slight variations of themselves. We went to visit a small artisanal village that seemed lost in the wilderness, and I started walking down the narrow cobblestone street. In front of each small house, a small table displayed these cute souvenirs. And I was looking at a few small sculpted Espiritu Santo doves when I heard the noise of an artisan working. So I went inside and saw him bending over a small piece of driftwood similar to the ones in front of his house. But around him, on the walls of his house, were grandiose sculptures of these Espiritu Santo doves, absolutely stunning pieces whose designs and details clearly showed the artisan's mastery. I was overwhelmed by beauty and I was truthfully speechless. And it hit me like a ton of bricks. This is what was missing. There are artisans from all around the world who do not have the privilege of showcasing the work in trade shows like Salone del Mobile, but their craftsmanship, techniques, and use of exotic materials are just as valuable and beautiful. Their work had a soul, a uniqueness that is so specific to handcrafted pieces. I thought, however, that few people got to admire their talents, and that sadly, with the rise of mass production and cutting costs to increase profits, we might slowly be losing these artisans' gifts. So I thought then and still think that there is a thirst in the world for what is authentic and unique. And because of that, the work of those artisans from all over the world should be represented in the furniture and decorative accessory market. We are committed to offering exceptional quality products with innovative contemporary design using the traditional techniques of the artisans while using sustainable practices. At Galiatea, we believe that the soul of a culture lies in its artisan crafts, and we traverse the globe to share them with you. In a world full of similar decorative items, mass-produced by the hundreds and thousands in China and other Asian countries, Galiatea emerges as a source for unique, exotic, luxurious pieces of furniture and home accessories. Galiatea currently collaborates with artisans in Brazil, Peru, Turkey, Nepal, Laos, Cambodia, Uganda, and Rwanda. However, our goal is to work with artisans from all around the world. Galiatea offers a large scope of products in the following sectors, from furniture, soft goods, lighting, textiles, art, fur throws, and custom rugs. Galiatea offers products that are handcrafted by artisans using the best that Mother Nature offers. Among others, Brazilian exotic woods, alpaca upholstered furniture that are absolutely unique in the world, raffia and sweetgrass hand-weaved accent pieces from Uganda and Rwanda, traditionally weaved throws in Turkish cotton, luxurious cashmere throws from Nepal, indigo dyed pillows with contemporary designs from Laos. There's no single design style, era, color scheme, size, or shape in the collections because we believe that each creation is as unique as our clients. Every year, craftsmen have to retire their skills because of mass production. We represent those craftsmen who are undervalued and unappreciated and give them a platform to showcase their talent and technique to the world. By combining modern designs with traditional craftsmanship techniques, we are able to bring forth a unique collection of items that will appeal to design-conscious consumers. So again, why are we so focused on handmade products? Well, we live in a world where many things are mass produced. Not that there is anything necessarily wrong with that. It's normal that some things are manufactured in massive quantities in order to fill a worldwide demand for them. But it's also wonderful that more people everywhere are beginning to embrace things that are made by hand, that are unique and authentic. How frustrating is it to go visit a faraway place and bring something back from that culture just to see on the back on the tag once at home, made in China? And suddenly it's just one more item that was mass produced and has no story and no meaning. Now imagine yourself losing your tour group, if you are one when you're visiting your country, and entering a workshop of an artisan and watching his hands create the very object you will end up buying, remembering how his hands sculpted or painted, how his eyes examined every inch of his piece, how his heart was intent in producing a thing of beauty. Bring that item home and it will mean something to you forever. A moment in his life and a moment in your life, a connection between cultures, a connection between two human beings through art. A handmade product is just simply different. And when you're looking for the perfect home decor item, that difference and the quality of the product are of the utmost importance. Handmade items are not only more valuable and likely to last longer, but there are many other surprising benefits. So here are just a few of them. To buy a handmade product is to affirm and give continued life to that human voice. When done throughout a community, multiple times over, an entire village or city can find new life. Studies have shown that shifting even 10% of consumer spending in any given industry to small-owned businesses would create hundreds of new jobs and millions of dollars in local wages. Can you imagine what that could do to these villages and communities? How we could transform them through our purchases? Wouldn't we all want to be part of creating that change? But it is more than just simply helping artisans in their community thrive financially. It is validating creativity over industry. It is recognizing that with each handmade piece, the artisan puts a piece of themselves in it. Each time they finish a creation, they take pride in their work, partly because they can see themselves in it, their traditions, their crafts that's been handed down from generations. It is validating his human nature and yours. You are reflected in that purchase because it was created for you. That object would simply not have existed without you desiring it. And it is because of you that an artisan put his heart and art and soul in creating this piece. Will it mean more to you? Of course it will mean more to you. And because we value more carefully selected handmade products, we treat them with the utmost care. After all, it is not something you might easily replace. And thus they and thus they last a lot longer, creating less waste. We simply do not intrinsically react the same way to a human creation and a machine creation. As we examine a hand-embroidered pillow, we cannot help but think of the hands that weaved carefully every inch of the yarn with intention and purpose. Who wouldn't take extra special care of such an item? The fact that no two handmade items are exactly alike is also very appealing. Variations in color, shading, texture, shape, and grain are inherent in a handmade item. Every nick in the wood, each natural fiber that is weaved in a pillow, and every brushstroke on the canvas of a handmade item makes it uniquely its own. When you buy a handmade product, you're paying for a commitment to authenticity and a guarantee that no two pieces will ever be exactly alike. And that is priceless, especially in a world flooded with identical products. This overproduction of items brings definite problems. The potential for the unethical sourcing of goods, such as metals and minerals, and the preference to produce an inexpensive item over quality item, and the lack of caring of the footprint and the world and the abundance of waste that is created. These problems do not happen with artisans that specialize in handmade goods. They care where their materials come from. They respect the environment around them and have to give an accounting to the people of their community. Their reputation as artisans and artists depends on the quality of their products as well as where their materials come from. There cannot be shortcuts in the design or indifference to the creative process. So there is nothing wrong with buying a product made in a factory, moved down a conveyor belt, packaged with mechanical arms, and shipped out via flatbed truck. It will be inexpensive, will arrive quickly, last a season, and will be replaced by another item. But if you are searching for that piece that will be you, that will mean something, that represents you, that will have a soul and a story, that will reflect another human's creativity as well as their culture, well, Galiatea suggests that you look at handmade products. Nayira Wahid once said, "Creativity keeps the world alive, yet every day we are asked to be ashamed of honoring it, wanting to live our lives as artists. I've carried the shame of being a creative since I came to the planet, have been asked to be something different, more, less my whole life. Thank Spirit, my wisdom is deeper than my shame, and I listen to who I was. I want to say to all the creatives who have been taught to believe who you are is not enough for this world, taught that a life of art will amount to nothing. Know that who we are and what we do is life. When we create, we are creating the world. Remember this and commit." Artisans nowadays are being tempted to forget their generational skills, their passion for creation, their cultural heritage in order to get a salary as a factory worker, in order to feed their family. We want to help every artisan who wants to continue creating to thrive. We want them to continue to keep the world, their world, and culture alive. We want for human creativity to continue to be celebrated in a world dominated by machines and mass-produced items. Our goal is to encourage that creativity and preserve it. So let's act together.